Are you ready to become a culinary virtuoso without the complexity? Delighting the connoisseurs of food doesn't necessitate a Michelin star. Sometimes, the most striking culinary experiences are born from simplicity. A testament to simplicity's beauty, the caprese salad is a visual delight and a burst of flavors. Stack tomatoes, mozzarella, basil. Add balsamic glaze, olive oil for a vibrant dish. Elevate seafood with garlic butter shrimp. Sauté peeled shrimp in butter, minced garlic, salt, and lemon juice. In minutes, you'll have succulent shrimp coated in a rich, savory sauce bound to impress. Craft your pizza by spreading sauce, cheese, and favorite toppings on homemade or pre-made dough. A few minutes in the oven will yield a crispy, cheesy delight surpassing any delivery. Savor elegance. Dip fresh strawberries in melted chocolate for a delightful blend of fruity freshness and rich decadence. Dazzle with an Italian appetizer. Toast bread, rub garlic, add tomatoes, basil, oil, and salt. A burst of flavors in every bite. One-pan pasta magic. Mix pasta, veggies, broth, and seasoning. Infuse flavors while simmering for a delightful dish. Use these base recipes and add your own flair. Unleash culinary creativity effortlessly with these impressive yet simple dishes.